Hey guys, so I just got off of school, finished my test. I didn't do so great actually. But anyways, we have exciting news. We're gonna go get this carbon fiber trunk ceramic coated. And I know guys, I've been listening. Today I posted the video of the carbon fiber trunk and I appreciate all the support. But yes, the carbon fiber trunk is crooked. I know you guys all see it. I see it. Everybody sees it. It is crooked, okay? Let's just put it out there. I know. Let it out. If you guys want to say something, go ahead. I know that. So yeah, it does bug me a little bit, but I mean, what am I gonna do? Send it back? Because I can't. So it is what it is. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get this done. 3-step method. Ready? 1. Oh shit, god damn, this thing pulls, bruh. I think this is faster than a lamp. Alright guys, we got here to the place and we have a BRZ with a nice carbon fiber wing, yo. And then we just got here to the place. We're about to go get it coated with my friend. I'm gonna introduce you guys to him, but yeah guys, I know the OCD. That's gonna be the thing of the channel, man, the OCD. But it looks good, man. It looks freaking good. Let's get in the car and let's go bring it around the shop. Yeah guys, look what we got here. His bigger brother. Sheesh. Dude, that thing is sick. Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, we're having to take it apart. We're doing vinyl removal. This was like baby blue vinyl wrap. So we removed. He already removed the bigger pieces, so we removed all these. 2-step polish. Do a coating here, paint protection film here. Coat all the windows.
Oh damn, my car's so small. Yo, look. Boom. Jesus.
It's not more of like, I have a ton of clients that they want to just keep it at home and safe and sound and do all that, but he's more of the on-the-block guy.
Gotcha. Alright guys, so we're here. If you guys haven't noticed, we're here at my friend's shop. He does a bunch of services. Obviously, you guys can see he's got quite a reputation for himself. His name's Gabe, guys. His name's Gabe. Gabe, you know.
How's it going?
Introduce you to the channel. Say something about your business. What do you got going on here?
My name's Gabriel. I run Royal Detail Sacramento. So what we do here is paint protection film, ceramic coating, basic details. As you can see, we have GTR in here coming in for full ceramic coating, paint protection film. So just something that we do here. So yeah.
Yep, there you go. And I'll be posting his page right here, and the link will be down in the description below if you guys want to check out any of his work and all the extra services that he has here. He's based here in Sacramento, so you guys will see his work on the trunk that I just bought yesterday. So yeah, go ahead, do your magic, man.
I appreciate you guys.
Six.
Decide to do it yourself.
Sure.
It's right here. There's a simple method: wash and then IPA white. So then alcohol, you do IPA white. Then there's wash, clay bar polish, and IPA. For the most part, it's not that bad, but you can feel a little bit of bubbles. Yeah. And then usually with carbon fiber, and this isn't anything to get discouraged about, come right here. What you can see, you see these bubbles right here?
Yeah, I see them.
Those are called solvent pop. So what they do is when they spray on layers, they spray it on really quick. The solvents don't have time to gas out, kind of like that front bumper. So when it doesn't have time to gas out, it layers, and then it eventually comes up, and that's when you get solvent pop. I've seen these on GT3 wings and wings like this. So it's just something that I just wanted to let you know about.
There you go. So what is this? This is just wash?
This is the clay disc. So this is just pulling out any decontaminants. It's kind of like a nose strip for your car. So any put in decontaminants are pulled out right here.
How much you say this one costs? 9 grand? guys, I managed to somehow make you guys see this, but you guys can see right there, these are, you guys can see the swirl marks and scratches. Trying to show you guys, but you can't really see it now because that side is finished. You can't see no scratches there. But as you move on to the part that's not done, then you start to see all those swirls and things like that. All right, guys, we're just, he's finishing up the trunk right now. As you can see, he's doing his magic touches. And then we will continue on and putting on the ceramic coat here from Avalon. Comes in a nice little package right here. Bottles over here. And it comes with a nice wipe too. Nice and soft. You can actually use this as a blanket maybe. And then a little pad to, you know, glide the... Alright guys, completely forgot to show you that is the prep, but basically you grab the block that came in the kit, grab this little microfiber super thin towel. They come, I think there's 3 of them. Put it around the block, put on a couple dots of that magic liquid, the ceramic coating, and then, you know, you put it there and you basically just wipe it in the car. Nice even spreads, as you can see in the picture. That's why you just read the manual here. And it says you have to wait around 1 to 5 minutes between each coat, and then you can wipe it off with the towel that came here. Oh, he's using it right now. Super soft towel over there. And then once you put the final coat, you have to wait around 1 to 2 hours. So you can see right there. But preferably, you know, don't drive it the whole day. Just leave it sit. I'd say, you know, make it a good job, let it seal. And yeah, it should be done. Let's take a look. Application. Oh man, it looks better in the iPhone. How often should I like recoat this with ceramic coat?
Depends on the ceramic coatings. I don't know about Avalon. Usually read their instructions and see, but ceramic coatings are usually over a year. They're not ceramics. There's a difference between ceramics. That's what a lot of people aren't educated on, is there's a difference between ceramic coatings and ceramic sprays. So usually ceramic coatings are at least a year.
At least a year.
At least. So yeah, you can read it, and then if you layered it up, like if you do multiple layers, you can do, I mean, it can go from 2 years to 5 to 7 year coating.
Jesus.
Yeah. But again, it's not, there's no like lifetime coating. Is that a lot of people are like a one and done kind of thing. It never happens. You have to bring it in, you have to reapply it, make sure that, take care of your coating, you know, you can't just neglect it.
And then you would have to like repolish it and everything, or wax?
Well, it just depends is how long you neglected the coating for. If you didn't apply any waxes, because you can apply waxes or ceramic sprays over on top of ceramic coatings. It acts as like a jacket on top. So there's different like contributing factors, you know. A good rule of thumb is like you can put water on there and see if it reacts like ceramic coatings usually react.
I was planning on doing it every 6 months, but you think that's too often or what?
You can do it as much as you want, like, but
does it just like build up and like?
It starts layering up, but making sure that you're prepping it correctly, you're doing it in an enclosed environment. Those are good factors or good rule of thumb to make sure that if you're applying the coating that you're not sealing in any decontaminants or anything like that. Yeah.
Sick. All right, guys. If you guys are around in Sac, anywhere around here in the 916, Stockton, even Stockton, man. I know it's an hour away, but look at this, bro. He's about to do that whole car, prep it, wax it, polish it. Are you gonna ceramic coat it too?
Yeah, I'm ceramic coating, and I'm as well as doing paint protection film in the front. You guys can check out my Instagram. It's going to be one of our sponsored cars. So a lot of our events, charity events, and car shows, this car is going to be out there a lot. So yeah, it's going to be exciting to see this before and after.
GTR, man, this is the before. You guys seen it here first. It's going to get no, not wrapped, right?
Yeah,
he wants
the wrap was taken off. Yeah.
Gotcha. The wrap was taken off. You guys can see it was like a baby blue, but now he's going to take it off. He likes the white color, and I honestly like it too. So he's gonna take that off. It's gonna look beautiful. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with the car as well. So his page is down here and in the description. Go give him a follow, and if you guys are around, man, come by and get your car redone or retouched, whatever you want to call it. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and I just want to show you guys the trunk before I close off this video. This is a little dirty right now. Let me actually grab a rag here real quick, clean this. I want to say thank you guys so much for yesterday's video. You guys showed mad support. Or not yesterday, but the previous video, you guys showed mad support. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me, and for everybody who is supporting and things like that. Thank you guys so much. I know you know the issue about it, and trust me, it does bug me too, but you know, I can't do much about it now, and all I can do is love it, appreciate it, and show it off to you guys in a good way, of course, and just expose it out there and do what it do. So thank you guys, but let me show you guys the trunk before I close this video off. There you go, guys. It's different. For the first time I ever saw this honeycomb kind of pattern, I was in love with it, man. Like on the Z's especially. I know Fly One Motorsports does a bunch of hexagon patterns for all their Z's, and the thing that sucks is that they only do it on Z's. Almost made me buy a Z just so I can buy it from them, because their RS4 fenders for the G35, dude, they look so freaking good. So they do some quality work as well, and when I saw it on a Z, the hexagon pattern, I was like, man, I gotta get that for the G. And TG Works was the only one who was able to hook me up on that and do it for me. So but yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the trunk. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much. I hope to catch you another day. We are installing the coilovers today, but I will post a video later, of course, so stay tuned for that video. We're gonna see the G a little bit lower, and thank you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure to give this video a like, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out, guys.